Hi, folks, welcome back. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, and we just got back here, and we are basically okay. We just had a little win just now. We just got some report out of Nevis that it's raining. We are back. Shady Live. The internet went down just a bit. I'm not sure what happened, but there's a new live created. So shade up, and we are going to basically actually get we're gonna actually start tracking where where Laura is. We're just having this discussion with my colleagues and what's not, and we've been saying Laura gives 6 for 9, as as the as the saying goes. Right now the right now we have let me switch over to the weather station. Right now, we had a little gust up to 11.4 miles per hour, and hasn't have rain yet. We had reports out of Antigua that they're starting to hear thunder out there, so that is a sign. That is a sign that something is happening, and something is happening, and we have things about to pop out there. Okay, so yeah, so okay, so let we have okay, so let we have rain outside now. So we're having rain outside. So we're having some rain outside. Let me see. Let me check. Let me check on the. Oh yeah, it's starting to kick up outside now. And what's not? Okay, we have some. Okay, we have rain outside now. So we're having some rain outside, and just making sure you look up on my roof. Make sure there's no leaks as yet. During these times, then you have to make sure your roof is not leaking. So let's go back to I just refresh the weather underground with the weather station, and oops, I just mistakenly refresh it again. Did that one and put on the satellite, and with the lightning, and we will see well what we're getting, and I could see what we're getting right now. This is what we're getting. This right here. This is what we're starting to hear the little wind and rain popping out there, popping up there, and we hear the little wind. Let's go back to the speed. Wind speed was a gust coming from. It's coming from the southeast. So once it's coming from the southeast, this somewhere in this area getting some rain. So we're getting some rain right now, and the wind speed. We see if the wind speed picks back up, and does it? Does it picks back up? And does it pick back up? And no, not as yet. But we just hear a little rain just now. We'll see how much inches of rain in an hour when this data goes up. So we'll know. And so in the meantime, start sharing up the live. Start sharing up the live, because when things get down in when it start to get down and what's not, when things start to get down and what's not, we we basically and see how the wind speed picks up, how much winds outside, how much inches of rain. It's starting to gust. It's starting to gust right now, around 10.3 miles per hour. So it's same. So the wind is slowly picking up. The wind is slowly picking up bit by bit. And what's that? We got and for those who messaging the tracking the storm page to know that the storm has passed, we are live. So we are live, so I'm giving y'all bit by bit information. And right now, as you can see, that it's raining outside, starting to rain outside. And as you can see that the hour rate of 0.007 inches, and it sounds like the rain is coming from the south east southeast, and it's gusting. So we're getting this. Let's go to the Guadalupe radar. We're getting this little thing right here. It's coming in. We haven't get the bad boy, the big chunk right in here. Okay, so it is it's coming from the southeast. The wind is coming from the southeast. Slowly it's slowly getting it together, and everyone is saying, where's the storm, where's the storm, where's the storm? And so we told them that the rain part is gonna come. The rain part is gonna come. So once the rain part is gonna come, once the rain part is gonna come, we know how much we're gonna get. So right now it's 91%. The humidity is 91%. I mean, it's moist, very moist out there. The pressure is just a little off a bit, but we are getting rain, 0.2 inches, and we know how much inches of rain we are getting. Inches of rain we are getting, basically, and we know what is going on. Okay. Okay, sorry about that. Thought we heard a leak. So we're just making sure that nothing was leaking just now. So we just managing the wind speed right now, and we see that that they have a little thunderstorm just outside, just about south of St. Kitts. This is what we're getting some of this, some of that. There a little thunderstorm up there, I would not be surprised if this is the center of circulation going down, going across here, you know, like in this area. And they're trying to gather some thunderstorms around it. But yeah, but let's see. Waiting for the Guadalupe radar and sorry. So yeah, so it's raining. It's raining. Those are starting to gust about 8.1 just now, and maybe gust up to 9 point. So the wind is picking up. The wind is slowly picking up, and it's still. The wind is picking up, slowly picking up, and it's went up and the rain is starting to rain. So the rain finally reached where everybody was messaging me and the others all night saying, where is the rain? Where the place so calm? Where's the rain? The place so calm. Oh my God, where is the rain? Well, the rain is finally starting, and so but we ain't have the heavy downpour as yet. We haven't had a heavy downpour as yet when it comes to the rain. And the rain is more coming from the southeast. So here coming hitting on the windows coming from the south. So it's basically it's getting there. It's getting there. Still here in the 60. Everybody want to know if the wind is gonna pick up. Maybe we might get a little thunderstorm here that got some winds in there. But let us see. But the rain is finally here. Someone is watching from St. Kitts. Yes, we're broadcasting out of St. Kitts. Bastille St. Kitts. Someone is looking from St. Martin. Welcome. If you're on this live, tell me where you're from. Let me big you up. And the wind is picking up a little bit. Up to 10.3 miles per hour gust. With a gust of 10.3 miles per hour. So the wind is now the wind is coming from the south. So everything is coming between southeast and south. So alright, so we got someone else from St. Kitts. Vinelma Fai. And here comes more rain. More rain. So if you're watching this live, just tell us where you're from. Where you're from. Let me pick you up. Katansha Cider, watching from St. Kitts. Maria Lawrence from St. Martin. And and share the live, share the info, share the live. Once you share the live, around, we basically you're helping get the information out. Don't keep the information to yourself. You help keep the information out. So the rain is raining 0.24 inches. So it's starting to rain, and you hear it outside. Nice rain with the gust of 8.1 miles per hour. Right now the miles per hour is 5.8. hasn't get any faster, any quicker. The wind speed hasn't really picked up. The highest so far for the day is 15.9 miles per hour. So let us see if it's going to beat that. So let us see if it's going to beat that. That's the weather station outside measuring that. So it's nice rain outside, nice and rainy outside. So let us see. Let's go back to the Guadeloupe radar in the meantime, and in the meantime, the hurricane hunters already gone back to St. Croix. And here comes the rain now. So as you can see, so we might be getting the rain from in this section here, in this part of Lara. Alright, so let's go back to ambient weather. And wow, we have a gust of 13.6 miles per hour. Right now the wind is 9.2 miles per hour. Okay, so yeah, share the live, and share the link, share the live all over, so we could have many people watching us. Because most are saying, asking if the storm has passed. The center of circulation has passed. So the center, let's go here. The center of circulation was around out here. So it's going like this. And the center circulation is supposed to pass like that. Okay, so that's how the center circulation is. Let us see if this has no, they haven't, it hasn't updated as yet. Let's go to hurricane city, sorry. And let's refresh that. Let's refresh that and see where the center is. That's where the center is. The center is just south of Nevis. That was at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. We have the next update in about 50 minutes, and this is Nevis right here. That's Nevis right here, and this is what part the center is. Nevis, and that's St. Kitts right there. St. Kitts and Nevis right there. Okay, and that's what part the last position of the center circulation was. Okay, so it's nicely raining outside. They had a gust of 11.4. We had a gust of 11.4 miles per hour and 12.5 miles per hour. So that's a gust. So it's gusting up now. So we're getting some gust right now. So the rain is coming. I hope everybody's happy now. I hope everybody's happy now. I hope everyone is happy now that the rain is coming. Okay, so I think the messages will finish now when it comes to the rain part. Asking where the rain will come, the rain will come, and it's gonna rain all night. So So just buckle down. Let's buckle down. We're looking at the wind speed right now. Right now we're looking at wind speed and rain. How much rain in an hour? This would we're looking at here. We're looking at this for the time being when it comes to the rain, and we're looking at the wind speed when it comes to the wind and the direction. Okay, so that's what we'll be looking at. So we know what the wind speed and what the wind speed, what the what how much rain in an hour. So we're gonna know if it was an inch or 2 inches or 3 inches of rain in an hour or so. So right now it's being measured by the weather station outside of how much inches of rain. Okay. So how much inches of rain? So right now there is rain coming from the south, southeast, and here I'm facing north. Facing to the north right now. So there's about 0.40 inch, and 0.4 of an inch right now. And we see how much it will gust up to. Would it break the 15.9 peak? We don't know, but we'll see if it's going to break the peak. The peak of the peak gust today was 15.9, so that was a good gust today. But it's nicely raining, and we are basically waiting for the next update, which is at 11. At 11, and we'll get a deeper detail of we just give that a little refresh. The National Hurricane Center refresh. What's that? Let's go back to ambient weather. The weather station outside. So okay, so maybe you all might hear the little rain in the background coming through the mic, but it's nicely raining. It's nicely raining, and I'm looking up at my roof, making sure there's no leak. Cause during a storm, especially when it rains that long, you realize you want to know where the leaks come from. So that is when you know your roof has a problem. So and this is basically everybody. When a storm is passing, I heard folks say that heard folks say that they could sleep through a storm. Not me. I would have to basically, if I have to sleep, I wouldn't sleep so long. I have to make sure that there's no leaks coming to the roof. So watching the gust 0.4 0.54 of an inch, and the speed, the wind speed is majority coming from the southeast, sometimes swing to southwest. Winds from the southwest, and so, and it's raining harder. It's raining much harder. It's raining much harder. It's raining much harder. It's raining much harder. Wow. It's really coming down now, no? It is coming down now. Wow, it's coming down harder now. Wow, it's coming down harder now. Oops. And it's coming down much harder. It's pouring now. It's really pouring. It's really pouring. And it's really pouring. It's really pouring, and it's getting serious out there. Getting serious out there. It's getting serious out there. And alright. So let me all know if you all watching on the live in the comment section. Tell me where you all from. How is it in your neck of the woods? Those in Antigua, Montserrat, those in St. Kitts Nevis, Anguilla, St. Martin. If they got those in Statia, Sable, St. Bats, you name it. Tell me what's going on in your neck of the woods. So let me know what's going on. So we know what the wind speed is. If it's raining heavy, if it's calm over by your neck of the woods, let us know. So let's know what's going on. Right now the right now it's 0.83 of an inch of rain. Right now. So let us know what's going on in your neck of the woods. In your neck of the woods of how about your if it's raining over you, if it's windy, or is it calm. Let us know. If you're in one specific place of one of those islands, let us know. Tell us what the deal is and what's not. Okay, so it's absolutely raining out there now. Woo! Wow. So it's rain, rain, and more rain. So those saying that there was no, where is the rain? How come the rain it hasn't come yet? Well, the rain has shown up just a little after 10, and it's gusting outside. You can hear the little gust outside. It's gusting outside. Gusting outside. So let us know where you're watching from. Where you're watching from. How is your area? Where you're looking at? Is it calm? Is it rainy? Is it windy? And we're having some serious gusts up in here. 10.3, gust of 20.3, and 7.4 miles per hour with a gust of 10.3. So I could hear it outside. So we're over 1.04 inch of rain, and it hasn't gone a half an hour, but that's in the hour rate over here, over this side here, where that's how much we are measuring right now, taking data. This is data actually, how much the hour rate. And so it's very rainy. It's very rainy, and it's very rainy right now. The rain has picked up. It is right now we over 1.25 inch of rain. um 1.25 inch of rain, and and it's going up. So we haven't the gut is going to run tonight. So for those who park the guts park the cars, sorry, in the gut is gonna come down because it haven't gone at least a half an hour as yet, and it's already up to 1.5, might go over to 2 inches of rain in less than an hour. So let's see if he's gonna make that. We just had a gust of 15. We just had a gust of 15.9 miles per hour. The wind is picking up. It's 10.5 miles per hour. So the wind is picking up outside. So the wind is picking up outside. If folks who want to know where we're located in St. Kitts. We're located in St. Kitts. So Tracking the Storm is headquarters is in St. Kitts. So Tracking the Storm headquarters is in St. Kitts, but we are regional. We have correspondents in different islands, and we have a weather team. So yeah, so Tracking the Storm is in St. Kitts, headquarters in St. Kitts. Okay, so the rain. So the still got the highest peak is 15.9 for the day, but it was close. It was close up there for the gust. It was close enough for the gust as right now. So and the rain is coming from the south. Everything is coming from the south right now. So so the gust went up to 12.5. We're back up to 10.3. So the rain is basically getting there. So the rain went the most it went up to is 1.75 inches, and went up to 1.75 inches, and is staying right on 1.68. That's the amount of rainfall so far in the hourly rate. In a month, it was 1.36 inches. In a week, was 1.08. it in an event. In an event, it was 1.10, and it's back up to 1.75, and a whole total amount so far is 45.19 inches. That's a lot. So 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 it's so many asking what's going on, and we just had thunder. We just had thunder. So let us go to the weather on the ground, and yeah, we are starting to, and right on cue. Let's refresh. Right on cue. Satellite radar and the lightning. Right on cue. Let that refresh, and see, that's what over us right now. That's what over us right now. We just heard some thunder. Just heard some thunder right now. Some lightning flashes. Anguilla, you might be getting rain right now. Anguilla and St. Martin. If anybody in Anguilla and St. Martin. And so Anguilla and St. Martin might be getting some rain, hefty rain. St. Kitts and Nevis. Oh, just hear more thunder again. Cause we're getting this squally weather here, right here. This is St. Kitts Nevis right here. That's us there. So we're getting all this right now, and we're getting thunder right now. And when you hear thunder, there's lightning. So we're getting lightning. So we're getting that this piece right now. Okay. And what's not? 7.6 miles per hour. So it's been raining for almost an hour now. But not really an hour, half an hour now. Sorry, because the rain started around 10 o'clock. The rain started around 10 o'clock. And so yeah. So those who want to know where this is this little piece right here. This. That is all St. Kitts and Nevis right now. Munchrat might be get this is Munchrat here, might be getting some of it, but we getting a bunk of it. We hearing the thunder and lightning. We hearing the thunder, we seeing the lightning. Okay. So, and we haven't reached. I don't know if y'all could hear the thunder. I don't know if y'all could hear the thunder through the mic, but Antigua, y'all getting some. Y'all gonna be getting some of this just now. We'll be getting some of this just now. Hold tight. Hold tight. And see, if you look closely here, the thunder and lightning, this is a lightning showing that lightning is around. So let's go a little closer. So there's lightning flashing around. So all these is indicate that we had lightning flashes around. So we're having lightning flashes around, if you could hear them. So they're saying lightning and flashes here, there, and everywhere. So lightning flashes, that when you hear you see lightning, the thunder comes right after. So we're having lightning flashes all over on the island. So it indicating that that is happening. So we're having all that right now. Any lightning flashes around in this flare up? Maybe. Maybe. Let's go back to the winds calm down, but the rain slowing down just a bit. The rain slowing down just a bit. And we have oh wow, okay, so we had the highest peak right now was 17.2 miles per hour. So it went up to 17.2. So we had a wind speed of 17.2 miles per hour so far. So we had a wind speed of 17.2 miles per hour so far. So it broke the 15.9 miles per hour. So that means the wind speed was just up there just now. We had a strong one just now. So let's see if the wind speed is gonna get higher. If we're gonna get a wind speed over 17.2 miles per hour. So maybe, you never know. Never know. And you know, everybody just relaxing, want to know where the storm is. Right now the storm, the last location, if you can check it, it was south of Nevis. It was south of Nevis in this area, in this vicinity around where you see the the hurricane hunters them make this little circle, twirl, and the dropper drops on. That's where they found the. That is where they found the center of circulation. Okay, so that's where the 16.8 knot. So it was out. It was here at first, and then it passed and it went all the way down here. So that's where the circulation be. At 11 o'clock, we should. You might be surprised that the center of circulation is somewhere out here. I would not be surprised. Okay. So let's get back to the wind speed and the rain, and let's show there is thunder and lightning. Hopefully and what's that? So sorry for the little silence. They had we just get a little report that electricity has gone in certain parts in St. Kitts, and they just got electricity had gone. Mine is still standing with the fingers crossed until I get the backup generator hooked up. That should be in the next few weeks before we get into peak hurricane season. Okay, it's gonna be wild. So yeah. So we're going back over to the wind speed again, and the rain is slowing down just a tad bit. As you can see that the rate is dropping. If it was a lot of rain, like rain can done, you would see the inches go up. So today's peak was 17.2 miles per hour. So got that. We put the 15.9. So that's good. So we're waiting for the National Hurricane Center to give us the 11 o'clock update. Let's just see if it already has there. No, they haven't as yet. So we go back to wind reading, taking data of wind speed and the rain, and watching on the satellite. Let's go on to the Guadeloupe radar. Let's refresh it. The Guadeloupe radar, you have to refresh it every 15 minutes, and refreshes, and we just getting this little piece here. Just that we're getting right here. This, and we just got thunder already. We haven't get this part as yet. So Saint Martin, Anguilla, we're just getting this first piece heading we haven't get the back part of the storm as yet. As we said, this piece as yet. Supposed to. So we just getting this right now. That's why we get the little thunder and lightning and what's not happening right now. But the back part, this part of the storm, this whole chunk is rain. Is rain can done. And they say that Antigua hasn't got any rain as yet. But just know Antigua gonna get some rain. Just know. Hold tight. Okay, and so we're back over to the ambient weather, the weather station. Back at the weather station, looking at the reading, and while we wait for the National Hurricane Center, to release the 11 o'clock update, so we would know where is the live. And it's kind of calming down right now outside. I guess that piece, this piece is slowly moving away, and it's gonna get back calm. But we waiting on this. Waiting on this. That chunk we are waiting on, because that there is like rain until morning. Until morning. But we're getting all these is lightning reports. Lightning and thunder. Lightning reports. All these lightning reports. So we're waiting for all that. The storm, once we get the new update, we should get the coordinates of where the storm is at. So we know what's going on. It's still raining. We have a gust just now of 11.4 miles per hour and 9.2 of 9.2 miles per hour, and we are waiting to see if we can get that big back end of the storm. We see we get the back end of the storm, and see the rain is coming down much harder again. So I guess we're gonna get see most of that. Antigua, y'all should be getting this just now. We're getting this, and then it just pure rain until morning come. pure rain until morning come. And oh boy, the wind is picking up some more. The rain is picking up some. The wind is picking up 11.0 with a gust of 13.6, and the rain is coming down much harder. The wind picking up right now. The wind is picking up. So let's see what the weather station is will give, and see what he will say. Uh, 11.2, so we are gust of 12.5. So it's really picking up out there. Let's see if the National Hurricane Center, something they released these updates about 10 today. No, not yet. Okay, so we're just waiting. For the latest update around 11. Sometimes the National Hurricane Center, they release the basically they release the update a little much more earlier, sometime like 10 past. I mean 10 to like 10 minutes before the hour, top of the hour. So they do that sometimes. And okay, it's calming down right now. Here in thunder right now, thunder here and there. Let's see if we get let's refresh and see if nope, not yet. Alright, so we might have to just wait until they got a lot on their hands, because they monitor in Laura, and then they monitor in 14, which is supposed to be Marco. So they got a lot of they have a lot on their hands right now. And so it's nice. It's just, as we know, it's in St. Kitts. Tracking the Storm is based in St. Kitts. The headquarters is in St. Kitts. So Nelcher Williams say it's wet in St. Kitts. Yep, we're getting rain right now in St. Kitts. So that's good. Y'all share the live. Cause just now the latest update from the National Hurricane Center is coming up next in maybe in 7 minutes. I'm just waiting for them to update the website to give out the latest advisory and what's not. Let's see they up to do anything as yet. No, not yet. And there's some. Oh, we have Tropical Storm Marco. Okay. Okay, they have tropical storm Marco. So Marco is in the Caribbean Sea, Western Caribbean Sea. So they haven't updated, but they're actually slowly changing. They're slowly changing the advisory. So we have two tropical storms. We have Marco and we have Laura. So we have the twins. So Marco finally arrived. We have Laura. So just now they're going to, let me refresh it. Okay, they haven't updated anything yet. They're still updating. But we have tropical storm Marco, and so there's going to be something never been done. There's going to be something never been done or never been seen, where two tropical systems is going to end up in the Gulf of Mexico and hit the Gulf of Mexico at the same time. Wow. Never seen that before. So this is something to be watched. So we got Laura and they got Marco. Marco is just farm. He just farm. But they're still updating on the site. They're changing it, they're updating, slowly updating. We just get some reports out of St. Martin. It's heavy rain, thunder, and lightning, and we could show that is right here. Right, we could show that right here. Okay, show that right here. St. Martin, Anguilla. That's Anguilla there. St. Martin right here. Okay, let me draw that a little more. So Anguilla in that circle is Anguilla, St. Martin, St. Barts, and they're getting this piece right here. They're getting this piece right here. So they're getting thunder and lightning from this piece right here. St. Kitts and Nevis getting this piece, and you see the lightning reports all over. Everybody getting lightning except Antigua. Antigua haven't get nothing yet. Antigua hasn't get nothing yet. So what's now? Okay, let's see if the National Hurricane Center has oh yeah. So we have Marco, we have Laura. Okay, they have the 11 o'clock updates. Okay, let's go to the 11 o'clock advisory. So we have the 11 o'clock advisory from the National Hurricane Center. And it said no hurricane hunters find Laura quite disorganized, expected to move across much of the Greater Antilles this weekend. So Laura is right now, Laura at 11 p.m. Laura is location 11.0 north, 63.5 west, about 195 miles east-southeast of San Juan, Puerto Rico. Maximum sustained winds 45 miles per hour. Present movement, it changed to west-northwest now at 18, so it gone up at 80 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure 29.77 inches. Okay, so watches and warning. The government of the Bahamas has upgraded the tropical storm watch to a tropical storm warning for the southeastern Bahamas and Turks and Caicos Islands, and issued a tropical storm watch for central Bahamas. The government of Antigua has discontinued the tropical storm warning for Antigua, Barbuda, St. Kitts, Nevis, Anguilla, and Montserrat. Summary of watches and warnings in effect. Tropical storm warning is in effect for Puerto Rico, Vasquez, Culebra, US Virgin Islands, British Virgin Islands, Sable, and St. Eustatius, also known as Statia, St. Martin, Dutch Saint Martin, French Saint Martin, and Saint Barthélemy, also known as Saint Barts. The northern coast of Dominican Republic from Cabo Engano to the border with Haiti. The northern coast of Haiti from Le Morne, Saint Nicholas to border with Dominican Republic. The southeastern Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos Islands. And tropical storm watches in effect for central Bahamas. Okay. Tropical storm watch means the tropical storm conditions are possible within the watch area, generally within 40 hours. Interest in Cuba should monitor the progress of Laura. For storm information specific to your area in the United States, including possible inland watches and warnings, please monitor products issued by your local National Weather Service for Forecast Office. For storm information specific to your area outside the United States, please monitor products issued by your National Meteorological Service. And we go to the discussion outlook. At 11 p.m., the center of Tropical Storm Laura was located near latitude 7.0 north, longitude 63.5 west. Laura is moving towards the west-northwest at 18 miles per hour, and a general west-northwest motion at a slightly faster forward speed is expected over the next few days. And the forecast track, the center of Laura will move near or over portions of the Leeward Islands tonight, near or over Puerto Rico Saturday morning, and near the northern coast of Hispaniola Saturday night, early Sunday morning. Maximum sustained winds are near 45 miles per hour with higher gusts. Some slow strengthening is forecast during the next few days. Tropical storm force winds has extended outward up to 205 miles. Wow. So it has the wind field has increased. The estimate minimum pressure is 1008 millibars or 29.77 inches. And hazard affecting land. Rainfall. Laura is expected to produce 3 to 6 inches of rain over Puerto Rico and Virgin Islands, the Dominican Republic, the southern Haiti Peninsula, and eastern Cuba through Sunday. Maximums amount up to 8 inches are possible along eastern portions and the southern slopes of Puerto Rico, as well as over Haiti, the Dominican Republic, and eastern Cuba. This heavy rainfall could lead to flash and urban flooding, as well as increased potential for mudslides with minor river flooding in Puerto Rico. 1 to 3 inches of rain with isolated maximum total of 5 inches is expected over the northern Leeward Islands, Turks and Caicos, and the southeast Bahamas. Wind. Tropical storm conditions are expected within the portions of the warning area tonight through Sunday. Tropical storm conditions are possible within the portions of the watch area Sunday. Surf. Swells generated by Laura are affecting portions of the northern Leeward Islands. These swells are expected to spread across the northern coast of Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, and much of the Bahamas during the next few days. Please consult products from your local weather office. And they said the next advisory is 2 a.m. and then the next intermediate advisory is 2 a.m. and then the next complete advisory is 5 a.m. But we won't stay all the way up until for those because right now parts of the Leeward Islands are discontinued the tropical storm warning. Antigua, Barbuda, St. Kitts, Nevis, Anguilla, and Montserrat are discontinued from tropical storm warnings. Okay, but we are still going to get rain. Okay, so don't let your guard down like that. And although it discontinue, we're still gonna get rain. See, all these here, this is rain. All this is rain. So all this is rain coming. So we don't have to kill up ourselves. Okay, so we're gonna soon shut it down in a bit, because we was waiting for the 11 o'clock advisory. As let me go through it one more time, the whole thing, but just let you know where Lawa is. Lawa is 17.0 north, 63.5 west. So let's go and look for that. Let's go and look for that and see where Lawa is. This Hurricane City supposed to already pinpoint where Lawa is. Let's go. Where is Lawa? Where is Lawa? And have they? Okay. Oh, they haven't updated yet. Okay. Okay, so they haven't updated Lawa as yet. So let's look for it in 17.0 north, 63.5 west. So let's see if we find it here. 17, nope, almost there. Okay, okay, almost close enough. Okay, so Lawa, the center of Lawa is about here. But you see that little circle is about there. So Lawa is just south of St. Kitts. The center is about south of St. Kitts. So that means that Lawa is that mean Lawa is somewhere out here. Somewhere out here. About there. Somewhere there. Right? So Lawa is about somewhere out there. So Lawa is about somewhere out there. And okay, this thing sticked. All right, so St. Martin getting all of this. Let's see where Antigua. Antigua supposed to be getting some rain. Hopefully, we got this big block coming through. This whole thing. Let me pull up my marker. This whole thing. Anguilla getting all of that. St. Kitts is getting all of that. So that all right in here, all islands, St. Kitts, Nevis, St. Martin, Anguilla, Station Sabre, getting all that. Antigua is here. But Antigua, you might be getting this leftover piece, or maybe this, that piece. So you're getting some leftovers from Lawa. Sorry to giggle. It sounds funny. Getting the leftovers from Lawa. Right? So this is what we're getting right now. We're getting this right now. We're getting that right now. Antigua, you might be getting this piece. Right now, St. Martin and Anguilla getting this. We getting this. Montserrat, let me see. Montserrat right there. Oh, okay. Montserrat not look like Montserrat is not raining much. Antigua, hopefully you're getting something like that. Okay. So yeah, so we're gonna shut it down in just a bit. We've been here for since almost you could say 5 hours. We took a break and came back about minutes to 10. Now we're gonna shut it down. We already got we did already discontinued tropical storm warning for Antigua, for Barbuda, Saint Kitts, Nevis, Anguilla, and Montserrat, and basically lava already passed, and also they have tropical storm Marco. They already have tropical storm Marco. So this is Marco here, Lava, the twins, and they suspect to go this way. Oh yeah, I didn't even put the cone, so let me go. Okay, so you see where this is where, let's see if we could zoom in this just a little more, and let's see if we could go in a little more. Okay, so basically lava center is just off. I was talking about before, just off of St. Kitts, maybe southwest of St. Kitts, and that's it there, right? So the wind field has expanded. I haven't get so much, but wind field, tropical storm force winds, and so what's that, it has expanded to really big, 205 miles. And oops, and they say tropical storm force winds in the warning area. So tropical storm force winds, and this thing go so big, it already passed, so it already discontinue these islands, part of the Leeward Islands, and this so we'll be getting rain and what's not all here, cause the wind field has already expanded. So it had already expanded huge. So that's basically that. Any discussions? Let's see the discussions. Sometimes these discussions you might not understand it. Might not understand the discussions, guys. It's very complicated unless you into the weather. I know how to read the discussions and what's not. So yeah. Alright, so we're going to end it in right now. Majority of the islands in the Leeward has been discontinued, so that means lava has safely passed. So we're gonna get up out of here and just enjoy some of the rain. And Chicken now is not torrential heavy rain per se, so it's okay. Everything should subside by tomorrow. So okay. So for those around the islands, thanks to the viewers who came in and share up the information, share up the lives them. We had a couple lives. We had a little internet issues where the live went down and it came back up, but everything is okay for now, and it's nice. So it's gonna be just like a nice rainy night tonight. So this is Jamku. Telling you, be safe and just relax yourselves for the rest of the night. Lao has already passed part of the Leeward Islands, heading to the Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic side, Virgin Islands side, and everything should subside by mid-morning. So y'all don't have to worry where the storm is. The center already passed, and Lao is very disorganized. So she's in pretty bad shape. So we can just be having rain, thunder, and lightning all night. So this here, boy Jamku, your storm tracker, and I will tell you all, have a good night and be safe. I'm out of here.